sun protection. As most people know, sunburns can increase the risk of skin cancer. Therefore, sun protection and preventing sunburns is very important. To make it simpler for you, here are the top 3 tips you should know. Tip 1. Avoid the sun. You can do this by seeking shade, especially around the peak hours of 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tip 2. Wear sun protective clothing. When going out in the sun, cover as much skin as possible by wearing long sleeves and pants. Remember to also wear wide rim hats and sunglasses. Some types of clothes are better than others. Tightly woven cloth, such as denim, canvas, or synthetic fibers, filter out the sun and are better than cloth that is sheer and thinly woven. Keep in mind that if clothing gets wet or stretched, it becomes more transparent and less effective at blocking the sun. Additionally, UPF clothing, which stands for Ultraviolet Protection Factor, is very effective at protecting your skin from the sun. Tip 3. Wear sunscreen. You can make wearing sunscreen a part of your morning routine year-round. When choosing a sunscreen, choose a broad-spectrum UVA and UVB sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. SPF, which stands for Sun Protection Factor, is a number that tells you how long it will take for the sun's UVB rays to redden your skin if you apply sunscreen, compared to the amount of time without sunscreen. If you use SPF 30, for example, it'll take you 30 times longer to burn than with no sunscreen. Apply sunscreen liberally to all exposed areas. Reapply every 2 hours as needed or immediately after swimming or excessive sweating. Some worry about the safety of sunscreen. The ingredients in mineral sunscreens, zinc oxide and titanium oxide, are generally recognized as safe and effective. Chemical sunscreens contain chemicals that can be absorbed into the skin, but currently there is not enough evidence to know if it is harmful. If your child is over 2 years old, it should be safe to use chemical sunscreens. Now, let's review our top 3 tips for sun protection. They include: number 1, avoiding the sun; number 2, wearing sun protective clothing; and number 3, wearing sunscreen. These simple tips will help prevent painful sunburns and promote healthier skin long term.